So loud out here. It's kind of awkward with this so quiet and people are sitting here. Hi, I'm Philip Rogers with Johnny Walker Realty. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of 127 Ridgewood Way in Dallas, Georgia. If you find any value in what I'm doing today, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell for future videos. Today, I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of 127 Ridgewood Way in Woodland Crossing in Dallas, Georgia. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square foot home. It's in the North Paulding School District. In the elementary schools are Floyd L. Shelton and Samuel McClure Middle School. And as you see, it is an open concept living. The home was built in 2020. It is on a slab and it has this granite countertops and this open kitchen. There is a ton of counter space, a ton of cabinets. So as you walk into this kitchen area, you'll have the pantry real quick. All right, and there's a dark stain on the cabinets. And Frigidaire appliances, it looks like. And you're looking out over the counter into the living room with the gas fireplace that I turned on for a little bit of ambiance. It's super easy to light. At home I have a wood burning fireplace, and this is just as easy as a flip of the switch. All right, so as we walk around, it has a LVP flooring, and it is the homeowners have moved out. They moved into a new home that we closed on just a few weeks ago. So it's a 2-car garage. The siding is hardy plank. It is a split garage, right? So there's 2 doors, one on each side. You just got to be careful of those sides. Don't ever catch a mirror on those things. Homeowner's buff, right, with the road workout equipment right here that's mounted into it. That's also could be a negotiation tool right there. Hey, I want to leave that in there. So let's come back in. So the downstairs, right, you have your half bath down here, downstairs. And I'm going to take you on a walk out to the backyard. Now the back porch is covered. There's 2 fans with some can lighting. We've got a screen and these are pretty cool. We have one at our house. A little magnetic screen right there to keep all the bugs out during the summer months. But as you see, the porch is covered. And then there's a slight incline right now up to a more level area to where they have the place at. It's a beautiful day here in Georgia. It is March 2nd. About 60 degrees. Very few clouds in the sky. Beautiful day. As you walk back down, there's a gate over to that side, gate over to this side with a little storage shed that would stay with the sale of the home. Like I said, you have the covered patio, which is really nice. It has electricity. So obviously if you wanted to mount a TV, have your grill out here, whatever you wanted to do, and having both of these fans right here is going to be super nice during the summer. Have an outlet. Right, so there's a million things that you could do out here. Outlet over to the side on that column. A million things that you could do out here. during the summer. So let's take you back inside. We're gonna go upstairs to where you have all 4 bedrooms. Real quick walk upstairs. All right, so I think I mentioned this earlier. It was built in 2020. There is 0.19 acres with it, 2140 square foot, and listed at the current price of about $207 per square foot, 208 to round up. All right, so we're gonna take you into the master or the primary. So we go into the primary. Again, really good size. You have the tray ceilings, and you have 2 really nice closets in here. Right, there's one. Won't open it all the way. Overlooking the street down here. Really good size, and then you come into the primary bath, double vanity, same stain as what you see downstairs, walk-in shower, separate soaking tub. Right, and you have the water closet. Now I think I just said that there's 2 closets. There are not 2 closets. What I meant to say is that you have a big walk-in closet. Really big, more than enough. And then we'll go over here too, for most of you anyway. Out to the side. And as you're walking into the hallway, we have the 3 bedrooms here. Here, the other full bath, 3rd bedroom there, and then laundry up top. Not in the same flooring. This is just a linoleum up here in the upstairs. In the laundry room. Again, the 1st bedroom. Not a big bedroom. It could be used as a nursery, a home office. But again, one of the 3 bedrooms. These other 2 are a little bit bigger than that. Right, they all have the same style closet. Then the next bedroom, again, same size as the other. And then you have the other full bath in the middle. So just to review, I'm at 127 Ridgewood Way in Dallas, Georgia. I'm in the subdivision of Woodland Crossing. I have a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square foot home in the North Paulding High School District. It is in Floyd L. Shelton Elementary School and Sammy McClure Middle School. If you find any value in what I'm doing today, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring the notification bell if you want to see any future videos. I'm Philip Rogers with Johnny Walker Realty, and this is Living in Marietta. Hard for me to say. Ridgewood Way. I'm trying to say it like a big boy. Today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of 127 Ridgewood Way in Woodland Crossing in Dallas, Georgia.